All right, guys. This is DV Forest, Mr. Daniel Vifa. Okay. The owner of this platform, DV Forest Trade. In today's video, I'm going to take you through how to use MT4 MetaTrader 4 after creating your Exness account. Okay. After creating your Exness account. So before you do that, if you're a beginner, you need to learn everything from this platform, our educational platform. Okay, so you need to know the basics, whatever you need to before you start trading, because when it comes to financial market, you can't just stand up and say you are going to deposit your money and start trading. You may end up losing drastically. So the best thing is to come join this platform, read all the courses, the beginner course from stage 1 to stage 2. So you have the introduction, what is forex, what is traded in the forex market, and all that, all the topics. So if you follow the link one by one, it will direct you to each topic. So for instance, if you hit this the first link here, it will direct you to the topics here. Then you read through all and know and so on. Okay. So after learning everything from here, and you want to start trading, you need to first create a demo account for practice. Then after practicing and you master the market, or you know how to familiarize yourself with the platform, then you can go ahead and create a real account. So here, what after learning from here, you will need to create your trading account using our partner link, my partner link. Okay, so the link is here. Let me try and then indicate it for you so that you can properly see it. um so where they've written Exness, okay, this place where they've written Exness, so you can register your account using Exness. That's our main broker. That's what we are using currently because of their platform, their services. Okay, so when you click this first link, it's going to direct you to the steps that you must follow to create the account to avoid any mistake. Okay, so follow these guidelines to create your Exness currency commodity account. So when you follow closely, use this link to register your trading account with Exness broker. Okay, so I recommend you use the website version for user friendly. Okay, it's very easy to use compared to the app. But if you are a fan of app, then you must use the app registration link, which is this one. And the first one is the web registration link. Okay, so when you click here, when you click the website registration link, is going to direct you to this page. So when it directs you to this page, you click on register. My network is a bit down this morning. Okay, my network is a bit down, so let's just proceed. So when you click on the link, it's going to direct you to the registration page where you fill in with your email address, then your password. Then from there, you use our partner code, which is written below here. When they ask you to insert partner code, then you copy this one and paste the VUN03U. That's the partner code. When you paste it there, it's going to register your account under us. So when the privilege you get when you register your account and that is that whenever we are doing any giveaway to our members, or any you want to provide any services, you get a chance to get a discount on all our services. So that's the privilege that you get, the giveaways and the rest. So so from here, so let's assume you have finished creating your SNS account. What you must do next is um you have to log into your SNS account. So so here I'm going to teach you how to create your SNS real account and SNS demo account. But we will use the demo account. We will link the demo account to the MetaTrader 4, so that I'll teach you how you can use the MetaTrader 4. Okay. So here, this is how you create a real account. So you click on Open New Account, showing on your dashboard. Then you select MT4. Where they've written MT5, you select MT4 under it. MT5 is the advanced version of MT4, but since you are a beginner, MT4 is the most used trading platform for all traders because it's more stable than the MT5. So I recommend MT4. Okay. So now with Exness, they have different types of accounts. They have a standard account. They have a pro account with the conditions. So the standard account, the minimum deposit is 10 USD. Then the pro account, the minimum deposit is 500 USD. Then they have a raw spread, zero spread account, and the standard cent. Okay. So here I will recommend you to use to select the standard account because it's the most suitable one for all traders. Okay. So when you click on the standard, you click on continue. Then you select real. The leverage, make it 1 is to 1000 or 1 is to 500. Okay, you select 1 is to 1000 or 1 is to 500. Then the currency in which you want to trade. If you want to trade in US dollar, what they've written US currency, you select US dollar. If you want to trade in Ghana cedis, you select Ghana cedis. If you want to trade in Naira, you select Naira. So here, let me just say I want to trade in my local currency, so Ghana cedis. So you just delete this one. You select the box, you delete the USD, then you type in your country currency code. Okay, then it's going to bring out your country currency for you. Then you select it. Then when come here, they say account nickname. So you can put your real name there or your nickname. So let me just put maybe Mr. Daniel. Okay, um, Mr. Daniel. Okay, then you create a password for it. So let me just, this one is just for learning purposes. This password you can change it later. Okay. So let me say maybe uh, trading 1 2 3 4. Okay. Okay. Then let's add some character to it, maybe a dollar sign or something like that. Or maybe at trading 1 2 3 4. Then when you meet all the password criteria, you just um, click on create account. So the system is going to automatically create a real account for you. So here, this is your real account. So now if you want to link this trading account to the MT4, you are going to need the account number, then the account server name, which is Exness Rev 4, Rev 6. That's your account server name. Then the account number is 16587641. That's your account number. Okay, so you are going to use these two details, the account number and the server name and the password that you've created for that account right now. You go and use those three details to log into them to connect it to the MT4. MT4 is where we do the trading, where SNS is the back office where you do the deposit, you withdraw the profits. When you trade, you make profit and all that. Hope you get it. Okay. So now you have created our real account. Yeah, there's a feature here where when you see what they've written, the four square as four square box. If you want, maybe if you create with SNS, you can create multiple accounts, multiple MT4 or MT5 accounts, depending how you want to use them. Okay. So when you click the list, the icon is going to list the account for you. But this feature hides the, you can't see the account server here. You only see the account number. So if you want to see the account server name, you have to click more. Then okay, so this feature doesn't display the account server name. So what you do, you have to click on the four score box where it will display the account server name, your account number, then the leverage and the rest. Okay, so now we have finished creating our real account. Now let's create a demo account where which we used for the practice. Okay, so you tap on demo, then tap on open new account. You select MT4 standard. Okay, in this case we are using demo, so you tap on demo. Then the leverage, maybe you can select 1:500. Currency, let's say US dollar or Ghana cedis. So let's leave this one in US dollar. Okay. Um, USD. Yeah. So you can also rename that this one to, let's say, maybe demo practice. Okay. Then you also create a password for this one too. Maybe you can say at, or maybe dollar sign trading 123. Okay, you make sure you remember this password. But if you forgot the password, then you can reset it too as well. I'll show you how to do that. So when done, you click on create an account. So now you see that the demo we have, when you click on rail, you see the rail tag here, rail. And when you click on demo, you see the demo tag here, demo practice. So uh so yes, you see the account number. The account type is standard account. The server is Exness trial 2. Then your leverage and the rest. So here, let's say you forgot your password. If you forgot your password, you want to reset it, you need to log into your SNS account. You select that particular account that you forgot the password for. Then you come and click these three dots here. Then you go through. You see change trading password. So there are a lot of things that you can do here. Uh, Change maximum leverage. You can change the leverage. You can rename the account. If you want to see the account information also, read only. The read only is when maybe you want to share your, maybe you are trading, you want somebody to see your trading performance. So you have to come and set your read only password, which means when you send that password to the person you want to monitor your trade, how you perform or whatever, the person cannot place a trade. He can only see what you are doing there. He can't place a trade and all that. So that's what the read only access mean. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go to our MT4. So I'm going to copy. First of all, you need to download MT4 MetaTrader 4 on the Play Store. So when you come to Play Store, you come and search. You just type in MT4 MetaTrader 4. So it's going to fetch the app for you. So here's the app. Okay, since I have downloaded it already, so you mine will show open, but you also show install. Then you just click on install. After installing, then you can open it. So when you open it for the first time, this is how the interface look like. Okay, so no trading account. The system asks you to add a trading account. Okay, then you just click on the plus sign. You click on add trading account. So now this is where you need this information to the Exness information, the Exness account, the demo account or the real account information to log in. So we are going to copy this account number here, then come and use it. So when you open your MetaTrader 4, click on add account, then you click on login to an existing account. Log into an existing account. Okay, so you click on login to an existing account. Then you type in the server name. You type in the broker name here, Exness. Okay, you let it to load. Then you scroll down. Since I'm in Ghana, our account is usually on Exness. Exness has different companies in different countries. So they have, each country has its own name, but it's the same Exness company. You understand? They have different server names in different localities. So since I'm in Ghana, ours is usually on Exness Technologies. So when you scroll through, so let me see. I think the last, yeah, what they've written Exness Technology Limited. So now you come and search the server. Um, remember the server name is Exness Trial 2. So that's your demo account server name, Exness Trial 2. Okay. Then so you come and set it here, Exness Trial 2. So we have Exness Trial 11 here. Let's go through. Okay, you have it here, Exness Trial 2. You select that one. So when you select, you come and paste where they've written login. You paste the account number here, the demo account number here. Then remember the password that we've created. So you put in. Make sure you check. You toggle this box. Okay, you check it so that next time when you are logging, you don't have to type in the password again. So you remember the password, right? So the password is dollar trading 123. Okay. So now when you are done, you click on sign in. So it's searching and looking for the account. So that's it. So if it is connected, you will see the demo tag there. So now, so the demo price, you see the name that you've renamed the account. It has shown the account number and the server. So now if you want to start practicing, I will show you. Now I'll use this account to show you features, how to use the accounts and all that. Okay. So now when you click on when you finally connect your account, you are going to see a place called quotes. So this is the quote page. So on the quote page, you see currencies. So you have NZD, SEC, and the rest. Okay, but since you're a beginner, I'm going to so since you're a beginner, I'm going to delete some here. If you want to delete the currency pair that you don't want to trade, you just click on the currency quote. This particular sign, what the arrow blue sign right below here. I wish I have something that I can use to indicate. So this particular at the top left, at the down left. Okay. So that will show the currency page, which is the code section. So if you want to remove some currency that you don't want to trade, you just click. You only need to click on pencil, the pencil icon there. Then you click on the delete icon. Then you select the ones that you don't want. Okay. Or you can select all. Then later on, you choose the one that you want to trade out of it. Okay. So now when you are done, you can decide to rearrange. Okay. So now you have BTC USD there. BTC is Forex Bitcoin. Okay. We have Bitcoin itself, which is trading on crypto exchange. But this is the Forex version. So now you have only BTC USD here. So now if you want to add maybe Euro USD, other currency pairs that you want to trade, so you just click on the plus sign. So you have the groups, you have crypto groups if you want to trade more crypto pairs. You have energies, indices, stocks, and the rest. So the Forex group, you have, when you click there, you go through all, then you select the currency pair that you want to trade. Or the best way, if you know the currency name, you can just come and type in maybe euro. You want to add euro USD, which is the euro against the US dollar. So euro USD, USD. So that's the abbreviation of the currency name. So once you set it, you tap on it. Then when you go back, it's going to automatically add it to the currency page for you. Then maybe if you want to add gold, you just type in the symbol for gold is XAUUSD. Okay, then it's going to fish it out for you. You also add that one. Maybe you want to trade, maybe. So these are my favorite pair that I trade. So those are the ones that I'm adding. So maybe US oil. You want to trade US oil, you add that one too. Maybe GBP USD, which is the British pound against the dollar. Okay, GBP USD, and you add that one too. So you see that when you are done, you see all the currency pair that you have added. But now it's weekend, so the forex market is closed. So on weekend you can only trade crypto, which is the BTC USD. So now that's all you need from here. Let me see if I'll get. Yeah. So the last one. So if you want to know more about the particular currency that you are trading, the particular asset that you are trading, when you long press, then you click on symbol properties. You get to see other specification of the pair. Okay, so you see the contract size, which is 1. For currencies, the contract size is 100,000 per lot. That's if you are buying or selling that particular pair. And then we have other stuff here. But since you're a beginner, along the line you get to know more. So now or if you also long press it again, you can see other features here. New order, open chart, symbol property, simple view. So when you click simple view, it's going to limit. You see that the look has changed. Okay, and when you click on the advanced mode, you will see the spread of the particular currency. uh, I believe you have learned from our educational platform. You should know what a spread is. So you see the spread written under them, the high and low, the lower price the market opened when the day started, and the highest price it reached when the market closed. So for instance, this morning when BTC opened, it opened at $83,293.29 in the morning. This is the lowest price that it opened today. And then so far it traded, the highest price it reached so far today is $84,257.67. You understand? So that's all you need to know about the quotes page or the currency page. Now let's move to the charts. So you see the next symbol, check the bottom. So when you click this symbol here, I believe if you really learn from my educational platform, you should be able to know what we are doing by now. Um, let me see. Meta currency pair. Yeah, you see the number 8 currency pair and MetaTrader MT4 MT5 interface part 1. When you click that link below it, it's going to direct you to that particular topic where you will learn more about it. So when you click there, it's going to link you currency pair and MetaTrader part 1. So here, when you read all, you get to know whatever you need to know about MetaTrader 4 app or MetaTrader 5. It's the same thing. Okay. So when you read through, you get to know everything. I want to show you one particular, exactly this section. You see where I've clicked the quote page. You have the quote page, the chart page, and the trade, the trade page, your history, and the news. So when you read through, you get to understand what I mean over here. So you have the currency page, the chart page, uh, trade or open position page, close trade or history page. You understand? And the news page and all that. So everything is here. So this video is just to help you understand more. You understand? So now let's go back to uh let's go back to our MT4. Okay. So now here's the currency the chart page. So this is where we do our analysis, our chart analysis. This is where we do the prediction whether to tell if price will move up or go down. You understand? And we also have some features at the top over here. So we have the crosshair. So this crosshair help you to pick values from the left side of the chart. So when you scroll it up and down, you see that the values are changing. See that the values are changing here. Great. When you click it again, it will disappear. Then you have indicators. Maybe you want to add a moving average and the rest. I don't usually trade indicators. Okay, so I will not really go deep into that. Maybe I'll find another time and do some more, do some videos about indicators for you. Okay, so now here's the currency page. Okay, so then you have the trade page, the open and close, the running trade. When you open a trade and it's running profit or loss, this is where you will see it, this section. And when you come to the history, you see it here too as well. So after you have closed your running trade, the close trade will come and appear here. So when you click the calendar icon at the top right over here, you get to see, if you want to see the history of today, it will show. You want to see the history of this week, it will show. If you want to see the history of this month, it will also show. But since this is a new account, you won't be able to see that yet until you open and close your trades. And there are other features here, which is the dollar sign and all that. This one, they help you to filter out some symbol, the trade from some symbols and the rest. So now let me show you how to open and close a trade, how to place your first trade. So let's assume I want to, so let's assume currently I will say BTC USD on H1 time frame. So you also have something called time frames. So so when you tap on the screen like this, you are going to see time frame M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, day 1, week 1, monthly. So all this time frame means that when you click on M1, it simply means that each candles, each candle, the green and the red bars that you are seeing here, they all form, they take 1 minute to form. Then after 1 minute, a new one will form. You understand? Then when you click on maybe M5, each candle here takes 5 minutes to form. So it means that if M5 will take 5 minutes to form one candle, it means that when you take one particular candle on the M5 time frame, it means that particular candle represents 1 minute, 1 minute time frame candlesticks, 5 of them. That's what it means. And when you tap on maybe let's say M30, which is 30 minutes time frame, each candle took 30 minutes to form. The same apply with H1, same thing apply with H4, 4 hour time frame. Same thing apply with the daily time frame too as well, which is the one means daily. So the last candle here, which is the red one, took sorry, the green one before the last one. This particular red one took 1 day to form. You understand? And when you click on the weekly, the same thing. When you click on monthly too, it's the same thing here. Okay, so let me remove these lines over here. Okay. And so now I wanted to teach you how to place your first trade. So right now from this chart, we can say that okay, let me show you this. Um, let's go to the learning platform. Okay. So now I want to when you tap on the platform name, when you tap on the name, then you click files. It's going to show you all the learning materials that has been uploaded on the platform. So I want you to pay attention to this particular PDF here, the ultimate guide to price action trading. Yeah, this particular PDF. When you download it, when after learning, you get to understand how to analyze the market, how to predict market moves, so that you, to help you make profit, informed decision to make profit. You understand? So when you open it, it's loading. What's wrong with the file? Okay, okay. You when you open this file, it's going to it's a whole book on its own. So you get to read all the technical aspects you need to know about how to analyze the market, each currency pair, whatever analysis you learn here, it applies to all the forex asset that you want to trade. I don't know why it's not showing though, but I'll check that later for you. Okay. Okay. So let's go back to the MT4. So here you can see that BTC is currently trending downwards. So we have come again. Mm, So here you can see BTC is currently trending downwards. It's currently selling towards the bottom side of the market. So you can say, let's say I want to sell this market. It's just for practicing. This does not give you a financial advice to go and sell. You understand? So it's just for learning purposes. So let's say I want to sell this market right now. You see the very icon at the top right where the plus sign is. When you click there, it's going to direct you to where to place your first trade or your trade. So you see this number here, the 0.01. That's the lot size. I believe you have learned about lot size on the educational platform. Everything is there. Everything you need to know is there. You understand? So to not make this video too long, I'm not going to talk too much about that. And we have market execution. This is where the market orders are. So when you click the arrow beside it, the very tip end of the line here, when you click there, you see the market orders. So you have market execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. All these orders, they are here. You only need to come and learn. So when you click, let me set it for you. Forms of market orders. Okay. Um, um, yeah, this one, number 7, forms of trading. Okay, so when you click the link below it, it's going to direct you. No, not forms of trading, sorry. Um, where is it? Let me see. Yes, number 15, forms of trading orders. They are all here. So you have instant market execution, stop orders, limit orders. So when you read through, you get to know what they are and you get to know how to use them. So you have to come and read. If you don't know how to use them, you have to come and read about them. So every information you need, they are all here. You see, they are all here. So So you only need to come and read to understand them one by one to help your trading journey. Okay. So um, so now let's say now how to place your trade. So let's say I want to sell BTC, right? So we are selling at market execution. So market execution simply means that you are selling at the instantaneous price, not at a future price. If you want to buy or sell at a future price, this is where you will have to come and select either you want to buy limit, sell limit, or buy stop or sell stop. So this one they help you buy or sell at the future price. You understand? But right now, what we are doing now, we are doing instant execution. So I'm going to hit on. So at the bottom here, we have sell by market, buy by market. So I want to sell. So I'm just going to click on sell. So once you click sell, you see that your trade will be running here. But you notice something, we don't have SL, which is the stop loss, and TP, which is the take profit. So if you want to update this trade to you to protect your trade with TP and SL, all you need to do is to long press, then you click modify order. So before that, let's come here. Let me show you. Let me use this line to maybe let's say I don't want to lose that much, so I'll place my stop loss above this week, which is then the stop loss price is 83675. Okay, then you go there, you long press. So on the left side is your stop loss, and you can see the line that is red. So our stop loss price is 83 650, right? Then you click modify. So you can see that the SL value has been updated. So the same with TP2 as well. So you see that SL line, that dotted line right there, indicating your SL level. So maybe you want to take, my take profit should be around this zone. So at 83 190. Okay. So you can decide to use this line, or you can use the crosshair to pick the numbers. You understand? So these are the use of the crosshair. When you click this symbol here, let me delete all these things. Okay, so when you click this symbol, that object symbol, or when you tap, you also see it here. So when you click here, you select the line help you to indicate levels on the market. You understand? So um so our take profits, maybe you can use 1:2, which is we are risking. For now, we don't know the amount we are risking now. So I will teach you that when you join my free premium membership page. You understand? I will also talk about that later. So let's say our take profit is at 8,300. Okay. So you just go long press, click modify, then your take profit will be 8,300. Then you click modify. Do you get it? Uh, so you see that the TP has also been updated. So that's it. So if price move downwards and hit this line, it's going to trade. The broker is going to close the trade for you and add the profit to your balance. You understand? And then when trade moves against you and it went and hit your stop loss, the broker is going to close the trade and deduct that loss from your balance. So you have something here, balance, which is the amount you deposited, and then you have equity and free margin. So the balance is when you trade, and then after you close the trade, either in profit or loss, it will be added or deducted from the balance. You should see there. Then the equity is when you are having a running trade, and that trade is running in profits or loss. It will be reflecting over here. That's why you see the fluctuation. So right now we are in negative 83 loss. Okay, $83 loss. So you see that it has been deducted. It's showing on the equity. It has been deducted from the equity, right? Since price is fluctuating. Now, how do you close this trade? Let's say maybe you don't want to continue this trade again, and you want to close them. You just swipe left. You see where the check mark, the correct sign. You click that one, then you come at the bottom where they've written close with loss. So when you click loss, so it will close. So when you close it, you see that your balance has reduced. So the loss has been deducted from your balance. So that's how it works. You get it? So that's how you place our trade. Or maybe if I give you a signal on my WhatsApp platform or Telegram, okay? Um, Let me talk about this thing once and for all. What is the um, um, yeah, the free premium signal, okay? So this particular page is to help beginners that are not really good in trading, okay? Or maybe they are busy at work, or maybe they need a help to hold their small account. So here you'll be when you request to join, you will need to meet a certain requirement. So all I need you to do is to register your trading account, your Exness trading account, using my partner link. Then you send the account details to us, the account number to us, for me to check it for you to make sure that the account is registered under our team. So once cross check, you found the account with a minimum of $100. When you found it, you send a screenshot to us to verify. Then when what that is done, I'll add it to this page. I'll give you free signal from Monday to Friday. Okay. I do my possible best to give you winning signals. When you enter the trade, you use it to grow your small deposit. So I will not take anything from it for you. All that money will be yours. You understand? Yours is to register your account under me, found it, then I'll add you here. You understand? That's the meaning of that's why you call it free premium. Okay, so the free premium simply means that here I'll give more signals here compared to my general page. So on the general page, which is the DV Forest, this particular page here, okay, you see that I've been giving sorry about that. In the previous weeks, I gave free signals to my members. But here, I don't give too much signals here. I only give one signal per day. You understand? And if you want more of the free signals, so these are some of them. Buy gold. So when I give you the signal, I'll give you the entry where I've entered my trade. So the take profits, which is the 100 people, the stop loss, either the type of trade, either day trading, swing trading, and all that. Then the risk management and all that. So here I give only one signal per day. But if you want more of the signals, you need to join my free premium signal group or platform. You understand? So that's what it is. So now you've learned how to place your trade. You understand? So if I give you a signal like this, okay. So for instance, buy gold. Today is weekend, so gold market is closed. So we can't place trade on it to show you how to do it. So if I give you buy gold now means I'm buying at market execution, instantaneous. And when I give you entry price, okay, I'll give you the entry price range. When you go to the chart, maybe you didn't see the notification earlier and you came later to see it. And you go on the charts and price has moved far away for this price range. Don't enter the trade. Wait till price comes back to this price range before you execute your trade. There's a risk behind that, which I will explain later when you join my free premium signal. Okay. And so on gold, when you open the app, let me select the gold here. So here, this is the current price of gold as of today. When gold close, okay. So the current price of gold is 3,338.50 cents. You understand? Per $50, $3,338 per ounce. So you know gold is weighed in is measured in ounce. So if I tell you to come and buy gold, after I've done my analysis, I tell you to buy gold. You come and click this sign here, the plus sign in the box there. Market has closed, so you won't be able to place a trade. So I said buy gold as uh, buy gold at the 30.32, 30.33. Okay, but here price has closed beyond that. Um, the current price of gold is far beyond that, so you can't place this particular trade. Okay, and then you use the take profits and the stop loss value. So when you come to the chart and you want to place it, so you put your stop loss value here, this place, then you come and put your take profit values here. Then when you're done, you just hit on the buy button, then to open the trade for you. You understand? Uh-huh. So basically, that's all you need to know about how to place a trade and all that. Now let's go to, yeah, I've already explained this one to as well. This is where you see your open and close trade. Uh, this is where you see your running trades at. And then when you click here, you see your history. So now you see that you will now have a history. You understand? You now have a, because you have closed your trade, you see your trade histories over here. And this one, there are, when there is a news release, update and all that, especially for fundamental news, you see them here. But there is a particular website that we traders will go to check all the relevant news will be will be given out within the day. So yeah, and this one I think yeah, this one is for maybe if you want to join the MQL5 market, maybe you want to purchase a product from their market. But this one is for advanced traders, so you have nothing to do over here. Over time, when we are doing more research online and the rest, then you can come here and find out more. So yeah, basically that's how it is done. Okay, so if you want to link your Exness real account to, you only come hit here the real, you copy the account number. Remember, you copy the account number, the server name, and the password that you created for this particular account. Okay, then you can open your MT4. So here, now that you have linked our demo account, to add a new additional account, you click on the add sign, the plus. No, not here. Sorry, not here. You click the menu, the three bars at the top left here. You click there, then you click on manage account. So when you click on manage account, now you come and click the plus sign at the top over here. When you click there, then you select log into existing account. Then you come and select the server of your account. Okay, so if our server, this account server name is Exness Receipts, so let's copy the account number. Okay, so the name is Exness Receipts. Then you open your MT4. So we have Exness Receipts here. Then you paste the account number, the server, then the password. So the password is at trading123. Then you click sign in. So you see that this account is in Ghana cedis currency. So that one to become the same thing. So here, because it's a real account, you will need to deposit your money into it before you can trade. Okay, so if you want to log into the demo account again, you just select it, then you sign in, and to log into the demo account for you. So basically, that's all you need to know about MT4, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. It's the same thing. Now let me show you how the MetaTrader 5 also look like. So MetaTrader 5 have the same features. The same features. So let me just use this demo to show you something. So this is how the quotes or the currency page also look like. You understand? This is a different broker. This is my DERIV broker. The link is also there if you want to register your account if you want to trade derivative synthetic trading. Yes, I also give signals on that. So you see they've written chart. You see this one is more advanced, so they've written the names under it. Then trade history, then message, sorry, the history and the rest. Okay. So here too, if you want to place a trade, here you have to click here. Sorry. So that one you see the buy and sell here automatically. You see the buy and sell here at the top. Or depending on your settings, you can change it, you can move it down and all that. But we are not going to talk about MT5. It's almost the same thing. You understand? So let me see. Yeah. So that's it. Hmm. Okay. Please don't forget you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Let's increase the numbers. My old YouTube channel got hacked, so I will encourage you to subscribe to the YouTube channel, then read the disclaimer and all that. All our social links have been added. You can follow our page. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, then you subscribe so that when you upload new content, you'll be the first to get notified to watch them. You understand? So this is my new YouTube page. Make sure you, as you watch the video, you subscribe. All right, guys. Thank you very much, and that will be all.